Good morning. It's Monday the 7th. We're in sunny Blackpool by Blackpool Railway North Station. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you enjoyed the videos over the weekend. The last one went out early this morning, being Monday morning, and I'm just going for a little short walk because I've got to do some post and a walk along the seafront. I hope you all enjoyed the videos. Anyway, we're all going home today. Have a look at this lot. Yep, the majority of them are all waiting for their train. I think they've all had a good weekend, as they normally do when they come to Blackpool. They're always well behaved. Yeah, this is the rebellion weekend I'm talking about, the punk weekend. Little glance there at the Holiday Inn. Now the boards are taken down, but yeah, they're all off home today to their various places. I think they've all had a good weekend, but anyway, let's just go for a little walk today and be a little bit different than my last few videos. Yeah, they're all heading home. Yeah, they're continuing to head towards the railway station. There's a bit of a breeze, but it's a lovely day in Blackpool. Yeah, just in Abingdon Street now. Let's go and see if Blackpool Council have put the benches back out again, shall we? They probably haven't done it yet, but I will let you know on this one. It's slightly annoying because these people don't cause any problems. Now, if it had been the young farmers that come up here, they can do some damage, and not all of them, so I'm not knocking them, but they can do some damage, and I can understand if they take them away because of them. They won't be out yet, the benches. Oh, it's a gorgeous day. No, there's no benches out yet. You wait, they'll come back. They'll come back. So you see what a lovely day it is. Everyone's just sitting outside. Bob and Bert's down here. Quite new to Blackpool. We're going to go along the front soon, and it's windy. I can feel it, so I probably won't do too much waffling. A few people outside Yates's, and the Wetherspoons. Let me have a quick glimpse of the tower, shall I? Yeah, there seems to be a big band of wind, and then it's all calm. Like now, it's just all calm. Right, I'll show you the beach today. Look at that. Loads of people out there again. North Pier there. Anyway, I'm heading north now. I've got to go and see somebody, so I'm gonna head over North Way. So we'll have a little walk along the front. There's the Turtle Bay restaurant there that's opened up now. In the what was the old Clifton Hotel, Foreshores Hotel now, that's opened up. It's just summer holidays, so it doesn't go any quieter. I mean, normally when we have these events, by Sunday night everyone's gone home. But to see all these punks leaving now today is totally different. So they must have been on it last night as well. There would have been so many that went home last night because they've got work situations, but a lot of people just book it off. But yeah, Talbot Square, and this is where eventually next year the trams will automatically go up there, up to the station, to the new tram stop right by the New Hotel Holiday Inn and North Station. Next weekend we've got Blackpool Air Show with the Red Arrows, so let's all pray for some nice weather from that, and there'll be some big crowds out. Hopefully I can get out and do a bit of recording and a bit more photography as well. But that's next weekend in Blackpool, so that's another busy weekend coming up. And this is one of my favourite views, this one. With you to where I need to go to, so I'll drop down onto the sand. Why not? Yeah, something different. I don't want to walk along that north sort of stretch along there. We'll walk on the beach, can't we? Walk all the way along here with you because you'll get bored of it. Just show you a couple of different angles here, North Pier here, as I said before. There's that tower. Yeah, we'll go out a bit further. Is that your ball? No. Anything. So it's right out. Further, because further in it was had that red bit to the sand, and it was playing havoc on my knee. So this sand here now on, it's really smooth. Anyway, there's all your hotels up there. Liberties, Tiffany's, Claremont, you all see it from a distance. Claremont, Best Western, Imperial, and then the Grand Hotel you can see up there. Then we go further up. I think you can see the lift tower in the distance there. Yeah, this is lovely, this is. Who wishes they were walking along here now? Not with me, but it's lovely, isn't it, eh? Monday on the beach. Loving it. Anyway, there you go. Anyway, I have come further out just to give you another view of it all, how far I've walked. I'm not going out any further because there's little pools of water, and then I'll find I won't be able to get myself back to where I want to go. You won't be able to see it on this camera I've got with me today, but you can just see in the distance Barrow over there, which is 17 miles away from here. And obviously on a clear day, I mean, I can just see the mountains of Windermere. You won't be able to see them on this camera, but we will be getting the other camera out. There's just some cloud over there, so you can't see it. But yeah, there you go. I'm not going to go any further, because if I go down there, I won't be able to get back across to where I want to go. I've got a pond here to get across now. Lucky I can swim. No, I'm going to have to walk back up here to get across. I'm not getting soaking wet feet. I'll let you know if I get across. Yeah, I'm back up the top now. I won't tell you what those steps and that slope done to me. But yeah, there you go. So I'm going to leave the video there. I hope you enjoyed that one on Monday afternoon. It's Monday afternoon now. And enjoy your week. And I will catch up with you all again very soon. Take care.